Welcome back to part 2 of the conversation around limiting beliefs, and I'll make this one a short but very, very powerful one. And I want to first ask you to ask yourself these questions. Why did I choose this specific program to enroll into? And what are my beliefs around what is possible with this program? And I want you to be extremely honest with yourself when answering this, otherwise this whole thing is not going to work, right? Maybe you saw the opportunity within this program and declared that this is entirely possible for you to find success in. And feel free to pause this as you kind of think about this for just a little bit, but allow me to give you some insight on past students that have gone into other programs as well, right? Maybe you saw the opportunity within this program and believed and declared that this was entirely possible for you to find success in. Maybe you talked to myself or one of the other team members and they, helped you see how this would actually fit into your existing agency and help you get bigger and better results. Maybe you saw this program and you ultimately decided that this was your answer to leaving your 9 to 5, and you trust our ability to walk you through the entire process where you'll find at the end of it success. Whatever the case is, I want you to write it down and put it somewhere visible so where you'll see it on a daily basis. The reason why we get so excited about new opportunities is because they are new opportunities, right? New possibilities of transforming our lives in a way that resonates with us the most. That's why we get so excited about it. More often than not, we begin this journey and suddenly realize that it's a lot harder than we expected, right? And slowly our momentum inside of us starts to dissipate because we realize just how much effort and work it's actually going to take. And of course, right, building a successful business isn't and shouldn't come easily. And if it did, we'd all have success with minimal effort. And that's just not the way it works. But the trick is to hold on to that belief that you have right now coming into this program and what is possible going on this journey with us no matter what, because that belief that you're having right now, those beliefs are there for a reason. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to actually get out a sheet of paper, or maybe even just take out a notepad on your computer, on your phone, or whatever it is, and I want you to write this statement down. I enrolled into Agency ATM because blank. And I believe that blank, be very specific here, okay, is possible with their guidance. So, for example, you can say something like, I enrolled into Agency ATM because I trust the team and I trust what they have is what exactly I need to help me leave my 9 to 5. And I believe that the goal that I want to make, $30,000 a month, can be achievable and is possible with their guidance, right? Be very specific on what you want. Be very specific, put it out there into the universe, and it will come back to you so long as you meet it halfway, right? And remember, I want you to keep this visible so that every single day you're working on your agency, you can see it. You can literally see it every day you're working on your agency. And I want you to let this be a reminder to trust your intuition with why you're here. Anything is possible when you make the decision to commit to something and you put your mind into it, okay? It may not be super easy, but it's definitely possible, and your success is always within reach. It's always within reach. All you have to do is be willing to get up every time you get knocked down, right? It's like that famous Rocky quote. It's not about how hard you can get hit, but how many times you can get hit and keep getting back up, right? So let this be your motivation for continuing on no matter what, and I'll see you in the next lesson.